Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a very delicious dessert using some leftover bread. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 5 tablespoons of raisins. Soak them in water for 10 minutes. In the meantime, get the other ingredients ready. Take 10 slices of bread. You can use your leftover bread, since this dessert tastes better with whole bread. Then cut them into cubes like these. Take 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Add in 1 cup of sugar. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add 2 cups of milk. Then add 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't like cinnamon, use only vanilla. Add a small pinch of salt. Then whisk well until all the sugar is dissolved. Now preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then add the bread cubes onto the wet ingredients and mix well until all the bread pieces get soaked in the milk. Break off any big pieces of bread. And let it sit for 10 minutes. Now add half of the raisins and mix. Leave the other half for garnishing. Grease a baking tray with some butter. Now give a quick mix to the bread and pour it into the tray. Smoothen the top by a spatula. Garnish it with the rest of the raisins. Now bake it for 45 minutes. Now our delicious bread pudding is baked perfectly. Let it warm down. Then cut them into generous portions. It tastes great just the way it is. But to make it more richer, drizzle some condensed milk over it. This bread pudding uses just some basic ingredients, so make sure to try it and tell how it turned out in the comments down below. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.